You can't focus, and deep down, you know it. You open your laptop to work, and 5 minutes later, you're on Instagram, scrolling through someone else's fake life. Your brain is fried, your attention span gone, but here's the brutal truth. It's not your fault, and today I'll show you why. Stick around because at the end, I'm giving you a free self-improvement journal that will change your life. Welcome to Elevate Alpha, the place where we turn ordinary men into disciplined warriors of life. I've spent years studying psychology, productivity, and self-mastery because I was once the guy who couldn't sit still for 10 minutes. I know what it feels like to fight your own mind and lose, but today that ends. In this video, you're going to learn the real reasons why you can't focus and how to fix it immediately. These are not cliches. These are battle-tested strategies that actually work. And don't forget, at the end, I'll give you that free self-improvement journal packed with a habit tracker, daily planner, and reflection sheets. You'll want this. Here are some powerful tips. Tip number 1. Your brain is addicted to dopamine hits. Let me hit you with this. It's not that you have a focus problem. You have a dopamine problem. Every time you scroll TikTok, binge Netflix, or even check notifications, your brain gets a dopamine spike. And now, your brain thinks quick hits are better than deep work. That's why reading a book feels like torture compared to a 15-second reel. Imagine a soldier trained for war, but you give him candy every time he gets bored. He'll never fight, he'll wait for candy. That's your brain right now. For the next 24 hours, delete one distraction app from your phone. Not 2, not 3, just 1. Train your brain to live without constant hits. The next one is even more dangerous because it's destroying your brain without you even realizing it. Tip number 2. You're living in a chaos environment. Your environment shapes your mind. If your desk looks like a war zone, your mind will feel like one too. Every item on your desk screams for attention. Your phone, the loudest one in the room. Ever notice how easy it is to focus in a clean coffee shop compared to your messy room? That's not luck, that's design. Take 5 minutes, right after this video, clean one part of your environment, your desk. Make it a battlefield for focus, not a circus for distractions. But here's the thing, even if you clean your space, the next mistake will destroy your focus completely. Tip number 3. You don't respect your energy cycles. You keep trying to focus when your brain is dead, and then you hate yourself for being unproductive. You're not a machine. You have energy peaks and crashes. Ignore that and you lose. Ever notice how sharp you feel in the morning versus at 3 p.m.? That's your biology. But what do most people do? They schedule hard tasks at their worst energy level. Identify your peak time tomorrow. For most people, it's the first 2 hours after waking up. Use that window for your most important work. The next point is the silent killer of your attention span. Most people never fix this, and it ruins their life. Tip number 4. You're not protecting your brain from information overload. Every day, you consume more information than a person did in a month 200 years ago. News, social media, podcasts, emails, your brain is drowning. And when your brain is overwhelmed, focus becomes impossible. Imagine trying to drink from a fire hose. That's your brain every single day. For the next 7 days, set a content diet. One rule. If it's not making you money or making you better, cut it out. But the last reason is the deepest one. It's the real reason why you keep losing the battle for focus. Fix this and your entire life changes. Final tip. You don't have a mission. Here's the harsh truth. If you don't know what you're fighting for, distractions will win every time. You can't focus because you have nothing worth focusing on. Netflix feels good because your life feels empty. But when you have a mission, when your blood burns for something bigger than you, social media becomes boring, Netflix becomes irrelevant, the world fades, and your mission takes over. Think about soldiers in war zones. Do you think they get distracted by Instagram? No, because they know what's at stake. Tonight, write one sentence. What is the mission of your life? When you know that, focus becomes automatic. And to help you lock this in, I'm giving you my free self-improvement journal. Inside, you'll find a habit tracker, a daily planner, and a reflection sheet. Everything you need to train your mind for deep focus. Click the link in the description. Download it now and start today. Don't wait, because every day you delay, you lose another battle. If this hit you hard, drop a comment saying, Focus is my new superpower. Smash the like button. Subscribe to Elevate Alpha for more brutal self-improvement. And share this with one friend who needs to hear it. Let's build an army of focused warriors together.